Hello guys, good morning and happy Sunday to everyone. And today I'm gonna make a banana pancake, and I have here two ripe bananas, and also we will be needing a 1 cup of fresh milk and also a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm using the white sugar and also a 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I'm using the Foster Clark's vanilla essence, and whatever brand you have, that also work as fine. And we will be needing also 2 eggs, and this one I'm struggling to open. And finally and then after this, we have to put this in the mixture and we have to grind it. We have to give a good blend. That's done. And now we have to get one bowl and we have to put our all-purpose flour. I have here 1.5 cup, and we will be needing also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I am using the Deli Fresh brand, and I need half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. Butter also will do. And now we just have to give a good mix. And after this, we have to pour our the one that we have blended earlier. So now we have to mix all up together, and then just give a good stir. Make sure it is well blended. Just have to agitate. So now finally it is all mixed nicely and it is done. Now we have to get ready for cooking. Now I have a pan here. It's heated up and I'm gonna put some oil. You can also put butter. It's depend of your preferences, but I put only the oil because butter takes, quickly gets burned. It gets burned. So, and I have to pour 1 scoop of the pancake and make them even. So I have to make them even. So now we have to cook on the side. And I'm using a low flame so it doesn't get burned. Sorry guys, I'm adjusting the lights. Actually, it's still 5 o'clock in the morning right now. And now we have to check our pancake. Now we have to check our pancake and all it's cooked. And now we have to cook on the other side. Now we have to flip it over to check if the other side is cooked. Voila! This is done. Our pancake is already cooked. And now we have to do the same to the remaining mixture. So it looks delicious. Normally, I love pancake with butter on the top and honey, and with some cut strawberry and banana and also blueberries, and it's so delicious and very healthy breakfast, quick and easy to make. So I hope guys you like this video today, And please give me a thumbs up if you like my breakfast idea, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. Until then, bye!